Well, should have paid attention to the elevation just a little bit in Nova Scotia. Didn't realize it had a 12% grade. You gotta go
up there.
Yeah.
No.
That is going to be a steep climb for the motorhome. So it says it's going to be 2 miles of 12% grade. Hey everybody, welcome to Nova Scotia. We left Prince Edward Island. You've seen in the opening video that we came across the ferry and got on to Nova Scotia. We are
on a really big hill.
Yeah.
And it was scary.
The motorhome's doing great. It just went up this hill. You can see right here. Hopefully you can tell in the video because it is 12% grade for 2 miles.
Straight
so it feels like it's going straight up. And we're not quite to the top yet. We pulled over here to just let everything cool down just a little bit, but everything's going well. And
well, we wanted to see the ocean too.
Yeah, and look at this cool view of the ocean. This is really pretty. So we are at the kind of not the farthest east on Nova Scotia, but pretty close. We are coming out to a national park here. We're going to spend a few days before we head over to Newfoundland. Ninette says this is the pretty side. You can see all the cliffs and everything, and the mountain that we're kind of going up and over. You can see that we're still going up, 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 up. Oh, and look at this shirt that we bought in PEI. Ninette got this for me, so this is pretty funny. We love lobster, so poor lobster.
Well, we had our first lobster roll.
Yeah, we had our first lobster roll in PEI. $20. Can't beat that price. And it was really good, too. We have arrived at our first campground in Nova Scotia. We are located in the national park called Cape Breton. It's the Highlands. And this is to this far east corner of Nova Scotia. And as I looked at the map, there's 2 roads going in, 2 ways to get in here. But the way we came in only had one 12% grade. The other side had several 12 and 13% grades. So we're gonna still go out the way that we came in, but look at all these cool sites that Ninette took pictures of. This is a really, really pretty area of Nova Scotia.
Now take the ferry.
So don't go this way.
Yeah.
Well, we're back to civilization. And I'll tell you that hill, yeah, our phone works, yeah. I'll tell you that hill going to get out to where we went, the wilderness, that was wild, but try coming back. I just put it in the low gear, and we just went about 10 miles an hour all the way down that for 2 miles. 12% grade.
There wasn't that many people behind us. So.
Yeah, there really wasn't anybody on the road this morning, so that worked out pretty good. So, but then that crazy ferry is like, I'm not sure how we got. I mean, I pulled up the routing this morning and said, "Oh yeah, just send me however, you know." And really,
don't say send me where.
I know. I really wasn't paying attention. I looked at these little markers on the map and I thought, what are those things? That's kind of weird looking. I didn't realize those were ferry marks. So
ferry.
Anyway.
Little wings.
Yeah, something. So.
Boat ferry.
Yeah, that was kind of interesting. At least they had a nice turnaround area, and we could go back to where we were supposed to be.
I don't know how we got out of there.
Yeah, we would had to just disconnect and back down the road for 20 miles.
No.
So.
No.
Anyway, of course, before we can board the ferry, we need to get gas because it's going to be more expensive over in Newfoundland. So we're going to get gas before we get on. and we're a little bit early, so we're going to end up having to just go sit in line and just wait, but that's better than being late. Since we have a little bit of time before we get on the ferry, I thought I'd break this down because people are always asking me, but as far as gas mileage and how it relates to our rig and things. So with that in mind, we just drove 300 miles, which relates to 483 kilometers. And we filled up the rig, which took 50 gallons, so 50.93 gallons to fill up, and that came out to the 192.756 liters. The way I came up with that is I took the 192.756 and divided it by 3.785. So that's how I came up with 50.93 gallons. So then everyone says, well, what kind of mileage do you get? And I keep telling you guys that I get 5.9 miles to the gallon, but a lot of Canadians can't relate to that imperial system. They're in metric. So if we convert that to metric, it actually comes out 2.5 kilometers per liter of gas. That's basically about what we're getting as we travel. Oh, and this fill-up cost us $340.99 in Canadian, but using our bank card that has no international fees, it translated out US to $250.62. So thanks Canada, that's the strength of the dollar, and that related to $4.92 a gallon. So gas is considerably more here in Canada. We have just got to our room. Ninette's already jumped into bed.
It's like 1:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
I'm going to bed.
And then you can see Tansy's right up here. We're in a pet-friendly room. So Tansy's here with us. So anyway, with that said, that finishes this video out as we leave Nova Scotia. So it's been a lot of fun. We've had good fun here. Now we're on our way to Newfoundland. So we'll pick this up as we depart the, the cruise going into Newfoundland. It's just like a cruise ship. They direct you to your cabin and everything. So anyway, we'll just plan on seeing you guys down the road somewhere. And if not, we'll see you on our next video. So take care. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.